By request, I'm making this short little series devoted to my original performance entitled Proof That Opposites Attract. So what I thought I would do is perform this routine at 3 different levels of sophistication. Okay, so here is the very basic routine shown in that 60-second card video, already posted on the Hidden Structures channel, as well as my LinkedIn page or my Math Card Magic group. Okay, so for the basic routine, you can begin with any number of red cards and any number of black cards. Now, it's important that you have the same number of each. So what we do here, and if you've watched that video, we just kind of set these down like that and have the spectator randomly decide how to stack these. That's just fine. Okay, from there what we did was we performed a Klondike shuffle. This is where you take the top and bottom card off as one. Okay, now from there we had the spectator decide how many cards to deal out for a rosette shuffle. And so maybe they'll ask for 4, set the rest down. And then we just spin these, that's a rosette shuffle, and just bring those together, okay? And they may bump up against each other like they just did, okay? And then from here, we perform what's called a mange shuffle, over, under, or an under, over. So I think we did an over, under, so this is where you push the top card into your other hand. This one goes over, next one goes under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over. And then from there, we dealt out the cards into 2 piles and allowed the spectator to decide how to randomly stack these. Would they like the left pile on top of the right or the right on top of the left? Maybe they'll ask for left on right. Now, the important thing is you can do as many of these as you like or the spectator calls for. Maybe they'll want right on left this time. Why don't we just do one more to keep this video short? And maybe they'll ask for right on left again. Okay? And then at this point, to confirm this aphorism, proof that opposites attract, we just Klondike pairs of cards to the table to confirm that that is indeed the case. Opposites will always attract. And there you go. So that is the original performance. It's the most basic version of this. So why don't we take a moment and look at some of the mathematics for this one.